Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to do a wire transfer on the Coinbase app. First, open the Coinbase app. Once you're on the home screen, tap the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Next, go to Account and Settings. Here, you'll see all your connected payment methods. Tap Add a payment method. You'll see several options like bank account, debit card, PayPal, wire transfer, and gift card. Select wire transfer. Enter your bank details. You'll be asked to provide your bank routing number and account number to connect your bank for wire transfers. Once all details are entered, tap Continue and complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions. And that's it! You've successfully set up your wire transfer on Coinbase. Now, you can easily deposit or withdraw funds using your connected bank account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.